what should we do with all these flyers? Before throwing them away, maybe we can give them a second life. Thankfully, with this semester question flyer, you will learn how to turn a flyer into a useful origami box. So this is going to be the inside of the box. That means we tuck it in. Fold the flyer into half, tucking the inside of the box nicely in. And we fold it in half again, like so. Right, like so. So the next step is to slip your finger into the fold and fold out a nice triangle. As you can see, kind of looks like a house. Nice little triangle here. Let's do it again on the other side. So we take that fold up, slip our hand in, and again, fold out a nice triangle, just like a house. Let's put the house away. We're gonna make two little houses now. So we're gonna pick this up, fold it towards the center. All right. Pick up the other side and fold it towards the center as well. So now we have two little houses. Wait, look at that. Turn it around, let's do it again. Pick up the side, fold it towards the center. Pick up the other side, and fold it towards the center. We're almost done. What we're gonna do now is we're going to fold this down, and it is the flap of the box. That's one side. Turn it around, do it again. Aha! What do we have here? We have a box. So for extra neatness, you can come back here and fold down the edges of the inner side of the flap and just kind of tuck it in. You know, this has nothing to do with the function of the box. It's just to make it look a little bit neater, you know, aesthetics for your desk. There you go. Nice and neat. That's it.